Hey, Bob Taylor here. I'm in Cameron. We're just outside at the house in the morning. We came on this World Forestry Tour to learn for ourselves. We've been taking video roll as we go. One thing that's happening that we didn't expect is that the people that we're showing the videos to, the other foresters that we're coming to see, are becoming super inspired about the forest projects that we're showing them that we've already visited, and they're starting to change their ideas about stuff. And they're going, hey, I want to do that all my life. Even though they're doing something incredible, they're getting inspired by what they're seeing on our videos. It's just amazing how the inspiration is flowing sideways. So we're learning, they're learning, everyone's collaborating, everybody's winning.